How to lock Netflix profile on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can lock Netflix profile on iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. To lock in Netflix profile on iPhone, if I open up Netflix, you can see that one of my profile is actually locked. So if I want to access this profile, I have to put a pin. And so how do you want to go ahead and then turn on password lock for your Netflix profile on iPhone? To do that, you will not use a Netflix application. Instead, what we will do is we will open up our Safari browser, go to netflix.com, and then make sure that we're signed into our account. Then once we're signed in, tap on the three lines icon from the top left and then go to the option called account again. So once you go to the account option, basically here you will see all this sorts of information where you have to scroll down to the profile and parental controls tab. So you can see one of the profiles is already locked, as you can see the lock icon next to it. So if I want to lock some other profile, all I have to do is expand the drop down menu, scroll down, and then here you'll find profile lock, right? So just tap on the change button. Currently it is set to off. So first of all, you have to verify with your Netflix account's password. So let me go ahead and do that respectively. Once you verify your Netflix account password, just tap on the continue option. As you do that, you can see it says lock this profile by creating a 4-digit PIN. So you want to just check this option that says require a PIN and then enter the PIN that you want to use for this profile. Once you enter the PIN you want to use, tap on the save option. Now once you've saved the changes, that profile will be successfully locked. So if I just go ahead and then relaunch Netflix application again, you'll be able to see that the new profile has also the lock button right over here. So if I want to access this profile, I have to enter the PIN that I actually just set. And this is how you can password lock your Netflix profile on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.